Hello everyone, Carson here back on another New York Times Sudoku. Today is December 5th, 2023. Let's start today's hot Sudoku. Okay, so we got 4 ones pointing into the cell. So one in this box is forced into the cell. And then we also got these ones. This one points down, this one points left. So in this box, one is forced into column 2, and these ones point down. So in this box, one goes in one of these two cells. Actually, in this box, this one points left, this one points down. So actually, one has to go in row 9 for this box. These point left, and these ones, they take up the whole, or they claim that row. So it eliminates all other ones in the row, for example, for this one. So one is actually placed here in this cell. Alright, I'm seeing, apart from the ones, the sixes, there are also a lot of sixes. So, for example, these sixes point right, this cell also sees another 6. So 6 in this box is forced into this cell. These 6s point down to place a 6 in this cell. And then, we got these 6s pointing down, and these point down as well. So that's pretty much it for 6s. And then, I guess we can do something with this box. 4 cells left in this box, and the digits that go in the cells are 2, 5, 8, and 9. So 2 goes here, 5 goes here. I think 8 of them, 8 and 9 can be in any of them. So I'm not really gonna mark them down. What I can do is mark that these 5s point down to put a 5 in one of these two cells. Oh, I do see something. This 5 points up, this 5 points right. So in this box, 5 is forced into not column. Why do I always mix up rows and columns? Like, this should not be difficult. Okay, so in this box, 5 has to go in row 6, so that eliminates all other 5s in the same row. So these two can't be 5, of course, these 3 cells see 5. So in this box, 5 is forced into this cell, and then we got the same thing going on. This 5 points left, this 5 points down. This joins the 1 to form a 1-5 pair. Both 1 and 5 must go in one of these two cells, both of them. So 2 digits for 2 cells. The strictly reserved for 1 and 5. So none of the digits can go in these two cells. For example, if I put a 3 in this cell, I can't fit both 1 and 5 now. So these must be 1 and 5. Now I found this pair. This pattern comes in handy because these 3 cells in the same row see 3. So in this box, 3 is forced into column 5. I missed these 3s, so these 3s force 3 into this cell for that box. Okay. In row 4, the 3 cells remaining, and the digits that go in the cells are 2, 4, and 9. Only the cell on the right sees a 9, so actually 9 goes in one of these two cells. Okay, so these 8s put 8 in column 8 for this box, and then these 8s point up to put 8 in one of these two cells. What am I missing? Like, why am I planking all of a sudden? Oh, okay, so all of these 4 cells in this box see another 4. So actually 4 is forced into this cell. And then these 4s, they point left. This cell also sees another 4 from up there, so 4 is actually placed here in this box. Eliminates one of the 2 possibilities for 6, places the 6 in this cell for that box, eliminates the 6 from this cell, places the 6 here. 6s are done, actually. Okay, yeah, 4 can't be here anymore. These 4s force 4 into one of these 2 cells. Oh, these 4s, this cell also sees another 4. So in this box, 4 is placed in this cell. These 4s force 4 into one of these 2 cells. Oh, okay, so, in column 5, you can look at column 5. So the 3s here claim the whole column 5, so none of these can be 3. These 2 cells also see 1 and 4, so in this box, only these 3 cells do not see 1, 3, and 4, and that forms a 1, 3, 4 triple, because 1, 3, and 4 can, the 3 of them can only go in these 3 cells, so 3 digits for 3 cells forms a triple. So the other digits, the other 2 digits that are not in the triple are placed in one of these 2 cells, form a pair of 2 and 8. Okay, and then 2's here point down, so 2 in this box goes in row 7. These 8s, they point up, and in row 1, these 2 can't be 8 because 8 must go here, or they see 8s here, and then these 2 cells, they can't be 8. So actually in row 1, 8 has to go here, in this cell. Oh, okay, so in, well, I just said in row 1, both of these 2 cells see this 2, so 2's in row 1 has to go in this box, and that claims the whole box. None other cells in the same box can contain a 2, because they must go here. So this can't be 2, this can't be 4, so in column 9, these 2 cells are where 2 and 4 go because they can't go here. That makes this a single 3. Yeah, and then these 3's force the 3 into this cell. That places the 1, and this one, and the 1 down here. So 1's are done. 1's are completely done. That also places this 5 here. points left, eliminates the 5 from this cell, places 5 in this cell. Okay. Okay, because this is a 3-4 pair, the other 3 remaining cells form a triple of 2, 7, and 9. No. This is not a 2, sorry. Wait, why was... 2 is never here. Okay, sorry. I'm kind of blind. This was never a 2 from the very beginning, so actually 2 is placed here. Because we found out that 2 are there earlier. It places this 8. But the fact that these 3 are a triple is still true. Sorry for that. Alright, and then these 8s point left. Okay, well, we can get to the triple. In column 4, 5, 7, and 9 are the digits that go in the cells. But I don't think any of the cells see the digits. 5, 7, and 9 as well. No. 5 goes in one of these 2. Okay, only the cell sees 5. The cell 3, 7, and 9. Row 8, 2, 3, and 9. No. What about these 3 cells? Triple of 3, 5, and 7. Really? Row 7, 7, 8, and 9. This is not going anywhere. 9s can go in any of these, I believe. So what exactly am I missing? 1s are done, 2s. 2s go in one of these 2 because 2 must go down here. And of course, for row 8, this can't be 2, so 2 is here. 3s. 3's in one of those 3. 4 are 4s. We got these 4s. 4's here. And here. Nines in anywhere. Oh gosh. 5s. We've got these 5s and also 5s up here, right? This is 5 and 9 for the row. Oh, it's the 7s, because all other cells, apart from this cell, in this box, see another 7. So 7 is actually forced into this cell for this box. Places the 3 here, and then points down, places the 3 here. Wow, oh, sorry. Don't know why that happened. Then makes this a 7, 7, and then 3. Oh my goodness, that took too long. That should not have taken that long. Forms a 2, 5, 9 triple. That makes this a 7, or you could have just said these 7s point right. Both ways work. And then the last, no, not the last. Okay, the last 2 7s for the puzzle go there. And then... Okay, so this is a 2 for the row. 8, 9 pair here. Makes this digit a 5. 5. There's 5 points left. 5s are done. 9 is here. Makes this 8. Down here makes this a 9 and 8 and 9. 2, 9, 2, 4 and 2. Then 9. This is a 2. 8 and 2. Then what else? 2 and 8 and 8 and 4 and 4 and 3. Okay, so wow. Finished today's New York Times Hot Sudoku in about 15.5 minutes. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad, but there were definitely some sports that I took longer than I should have. But yeah, I think this puzzle was kind of straightforward to me. Like, not many difficulties. Yeah, I reckon the most difficult spot for me was the 1, 3, 4 triple in the middle. And yeah, I mean, if you get the 1, 5 pair down here in row 9 and box 8, the 1, 5 pair down here, I think that'll help you progress a lot. And of course some other spots as well, which I don't quite remember. Of course, 1, 3, 4 triple in the middle, if you think that was important. Yeah, so hopefully you had no problems with this solve. Even if you struggled, hopefully this video helped. So yeah, gonna end today's video of New York Times Hot Sudoku. Yeah. So today is December 5th, 2023. See you all in tomorrow's New York Times Hot Sudoku solve. Bye!